हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ग्लासेस व्हिच आर यूज्ड फॉर सर्विंग डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ड्रिंक्स इन द F&B सर्विस आउटलेट. So why there are so many different type of sizes, shapes of glasses are used for serving these drinks? For example, maybe it is beer or it is wine or it is just a small shot. They are serving different type of glasses. So there is a reason because it altogether the shape and the size gives you an experience. You can imagine if you are drinking a very expensive red wine in a steel glass, or maybe you are having a very expensive scotch on the rocks in a teacup. So that will not give you altogether an experience and you will not even feel that drink so good. Without wasting any further time, let's get down to the table and see what are the different type of glasses we have. Which सबसे पहले हम पैटर्न की बात कर लेते हैं. In pattern there might be two type of glasses. One is the plain and one is the cut glass. Okay, so this one is the plain glass. It doesn't have any cuttings, and this one, for example, you can see there are cuttings. They are called cut glass. Now we will talk about the shapes. So in shape we can keep these glasses in three different sections. Like one is the tumbler and one is our footed glass and one is our stemware. We can see the parts of glasses. The glass के जो parts हैं, they are one. This is the bowl, the where we hold the drink. So this is the bowl, and then there is a stem which is used for holding the glass, and then there is the foot. This is called the foot of the glass. So this is the stemware, the glass which has all three things. This is called stemware. The glass which is directly joined with the foot, that is called the footed glass. For example, this glass, or we can say this brandy balloon, there is not much stem, so stem is not big enough to hold this glass. So this will be hold from here, so it has the bowl which is directly fitted on the foot. So this is called the footed glass. And this glass, it doesn't have any type of foot or any type of stem. It has just the bowl, only the bowl and the base. So this will be called tumbler type glass. For example, this glass or this glass, it doesn't have any stem or any foot. So we can keep these glasses in three category. One is the tumbler, one is the footed glass, and one is our stemware which has all these three things. So stemware like this can be a stemware, this can be stemware. जहाँ पे भी हम glass को stem से पकड़ेंगे, they are called stemware. For example, wine glasses, red wine glass, white wine glass, they are all stemware. And these are the footed glass where the stem is not big enough to hold the glass. Now we will see different type of glasses. So first of all, हम tumbler glasses में देख सकते हैं. This is called the rock glass or old fashioned glass. This is used for the whiskey on the rocks or different type of whiskeys. It is used. The capacity of this glass is 6 to 10 ounces. The 1 ounce is about 30 ml. It is about 29.4, but approximately it is 30 ml, so it is about 6 to 10 ounces. And then we have this juice glass which is quite small. The juice glass is usually small because in buffet breakfast and all, guest is having so many things, so they don't want to have a lot of juice. So the juice is usually served in a smaller glass. After this, we have the highball glass. The highball glass is used for the highball drinks. Highball is basically drink and plus some mixer. It is about 8 to 10 ounces. The size of this glass may vary depending upon the organization, so you don't have to be confused about this, but I'm telling you the ideal capacity of these glasses. Then we have the Tom Collins, which is bigger than highball. This is the bigger than highball glass. This is called Tom Collins. It is also used for the same purpose for the long drinks when we are serving to the guest, like vodka with orange juice or with rum with coke or anything like this. So we can serve in these type of glasses. One more tumbler type glass I have, that is, this is called the Pilsner. Pilsner is a pale lager beer, so it is used for serving the beer into this glass. Now we start with the footed glasses. Footed glass, we have one. This one is called beer goblet, and we have another footed glass that is the brandy balloon. This is called the brandy balloon. So beer goblet is about 13 to 16 ounces, or we can say about 400 to 500 ml capacity. It is used for different type of beers, like bottled beers, lager beers. We can use this, and this is the brandy balloon. It is used for serving the brandy. So it is usually hold like this to give the warmth of your hand, of your body to the brandy. So this is the way how brandy is drink in these type of glasses. So after these footed glasses, we have the stemware, which I said in stemware category. There is this glass which is called champagne flute. For champagne, we have another glass. This is called champagne saucer. So this is the saucer glass. Champagne. This is the old style of glass for the champagne. So earlier, champagne used to be served in this type of glasses, but the fizziness or carbon dioxide CO2 which is in the champagne, it used to be dissolved in the air because the space is very big. So this CO2 usually go from these type of glasses. Then these type of glasses were invented where the carbon dioxide stay for a longer time. After this we have the wine glasses, red wine and white wine glasses. So the white wine glass is usually smaller. So this is the white wine glass and this is the red wine glass. White wine glass is usually smaller, but there are different type of glasses now. There are like Chardonnay glass is very big. Pinot Noir glass has different shapes. But rule of thumb, as I said, you can understand this, that white wine glass is usually smaller than the red wine glass, and the capacity of these glasses might be 9 to 14 ounces, and it might be 8 to 12 ounces. The capacity of wine which is served in the glass is standard, that is the 150 ml. So they are served in this. So white wine glass and red wine glass. After this, we have the cocktail glass. This is the martini glass. Martini glass comes in various sizes with long stem and very big also. So the size vary of this type of glass. So the size of this glass might be 6 to 12 ounces. There are very different type of capacity of this glass, but the shape is, it is like a V shape. It is V shape. So for whenever you have to see that which one is martini or margarita, margarita have slight curve in the glass. Okay, and this one is straight V type glass, V shaped glass. Then we have the beer mug. This is used for draft beers, and the capacity might be 13 to 16 ounces, which is about 400 to 500 ml of beer is served in this, and it is used for tap beer or draft beers. These crafts, this craft is used for serving the mixers. For example, if you are serving juice on the side with the vodka, or you are serving coke on the side, or you are serving soda on the side of whiskey. For example, you are just giving the whiskey in the glass and you are serving the soda in this. So these are used for serving the mixers. So there might be small size, there might be big size. This one is about 500 ml, this one is about 300 ml. After this we have the decanter. The decanter is used for decanting wine, and there are different reasons why the wine is decanted. That might be a topic for different video. We will discuss in detail that what is the reason of decanting, but the capacity of this decanter might be 1 liter or 1.5 liter. So it must hold full bottle of wine, like 750 ml is the standard capacity of wine that comes up to here. And after this there should be some space for aeration, for the wine to get the air, and then we swill the wine like this so that it comes in contact of air, and it is of course used for decanting also. So as I said, these are the different type of tumbler type glasses. We have the juice glass, which is quite smaller. Then we have the whiskey glass or old fashioned glass, which is used for the whiskey service. Then we have the highball glass, which is used for long drinks or water. And then we have the Tom Collins, which is bigger than the highball glass and also used for long drinks. Then we have the Pilsner glass. It is used for pale lager beers, Pilsner beer service. Here we have the footed glass, which is the this is the beer brandy balloon, which is used for serving brandy or cognac. And then we have the beer goblet, which is used for serving different type of beers. Here we have the stemwares. In stemware, we have this champagne flute, which is used for champagne service. Then we have the champagne saucer, another type of champagne glass. Then there is a red wine glass, which is quite bigger than the white wine glass. This second one is the white wine glass, and then we have the martini cocktail glass. This is called the wine decanter, which is used for decanting wine, and then we have the carafe of different size, which is used for serving the mixers of the drink.